All right, and this is part 3. Let's go back to what we had. And I was in the middle of writing the m for slope. So slope equals 1/2. So now we're going to put this into an equation. I'm actually going to write the equation down here because we need to use that equation anyway in part B. So y equals mx plus b. Remember, spent weeks and weeks on that. We figured out that b is 3 from looking at the graph, and we figured out our slope is 1/2 5. And remember, you could have done rise over run. You could have drawn the triangle there too, but we can also find it this way. Okay, so y stays y. We're only replacing the slope and the y-intercept equals, my slope is 1/2. Oh, you see my doggie in the background? She's my working partner. She's sleeping behind me, but she just stretched. I know you saw her. Equals, see, we're following the formula. Y equals, my m was 1/2. Whoops, not equals. See, Tor distracted me. X, we gotta have the x stays the x, the y stays the y. And then we have plus, and our y-intercept is 3. That's our equation. Okay, so now we're going to use this equation to make a guess about the number of parakeets you saw on the 18th day. Well, since days are on our x-axis, that's what we fill in for x, so we are looking for y. We don't know what it is. We kind of guess what it is by the graph, but now that we have an equation, we can make it more definite. So y equals 1/2. Remember, when a number and a letter are next to each other, a number and a variable are next to each other, it means to multiply. So we're going to put a dot for multiplication. Our x, we're putting 18 in for x because we want to know how many parakeets the 18th day, and then plus 3. All right, now you can use a calculator if you'd like. I'm not going to use one because I have one handy, but I don't need one. Half of 18, or 18 divided by 2, is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12. So from our equation, we can estimate that she saw 12 parakeets on the 18th day. And that's approximately what it is on our graph. So you can check your graph to make sure you're okay. All right, so you will have one of these on your homework practice worksheets. The other two will be like this. Again, if you need help, you can come back to the video and look, or just send me an email. But you got to use that y equals mx plus b. Remember, several times I said it's not going away. Okay? So have a great week. We only have a couple weeks left after this. I hope you guys are all doing well, and have a great week.